All right, hey, Sgt Locksmith here. All right, we're gonna open up another Ford. We're gonna use the S tool. Remember, with your hook, always have it facing the rear of the vehicle. So if you do this on the driver's side or passenger side, and when you do this, easy tool, drop it down. Once you line it with the lock, just twist it. And most part, you'll see that bounce. So we know you're hooked on it. Try to make it so you can still see it. Oh, and I lost it. This is what you want to look for, is to bounce. Put it in a bind, lift up. There we go. Hey, thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.